Alright, what's up guys, we're back to the channel. My voice sounds a little weird and I'm sick. I just got back from Florida. My voice is done. I have a cold and it's terrible. So we are at the Ninja Ranger. I didn't record too much. I actually just got there late. Truck broke down, transmission lines, bad things happened as we were road tripping. We got here nick of time just to get practice and something like that done in tech. But so yeah, so we did a 410 gear change. We got our new Nito tires. Right now we're about to go into practice session, which we did pretty damn good. I won't post the time we got at the end of the practice session. And we did 2 practice sessions. I don't know if I'm thinking about the second practice session. I may not. I think I should find out. But yeah, we did crash actually. And yeah, as Subway thumbnail, we crashed. I think Zach hit us. He pit maneuver by accident. I rewatched the video. Some people, like everyone asked, I thought maybe it was my fault. I thought I went down too far. I was like, did I go down too far? And they were like, nah, it looks like you guys, you just came up a little too far and hit and bumped you. I was like, alright. Because I hate when I just know it was my fault, so I know how to correct myself for later on. You know, what to look for. And if I, So, but yeah, someone said he came up too fast on the inner side. It looked like he nipped me right there. Right in the same spot Chet got me last year. So, luckily we didn't flip. But the other mistake I did was I tried to correct it, and I should have just let the truck spin out, and then I would have continued the race. But I want to try to drift it and try to get it corrected, because I thought it'd be pretty damn cool. But it did not work out that well. So let's see how we do in practice. Let's see how this thing does. And like I said, she did pretty good. But we got more news coming up on the end of this video on what we're gonna be doing to this car to make it better. We are running out of gear. That is where the weakness of this truck came, was actually we needed a 3rd gear instead of the 2nd gear, because we need to be able to shift into 3rd right at the center of that track to keep us in the power band and keep this truck freaking pulling out. So that's where we lost a lot of timing. But we still got a decent time, for this truck's record, I should say, because our best time is like a 23, I think, or 24 in this truck. So for Freedom Factory, of course. So yeah, so that the doo-doo-doo sound is it run out of gear in a second. So that's what we're gonna try to improvise on this truck if we can salvage it from the crash. So we ran 21.338, which is awesome for this truck. Like we were running like 23, 24 last year at Freedom Factory. So this was an amazing time for us. Like we were doing really good, but everyone else was running about like 19s, 20s, and Kevin was running 16s, 17s, which insane. Which we need to figure out what he did to his truck, and we're trying to do our truck next year, trying to get to his level of competition. But for us, as of this year, the truck's running good. She's running powerful, and we're getting better and better every year. So that's all we can hope for. This is qualifying, so they just let us out. We have 3 laps we gotta do. So we gotta best lap, and that's basically what it is. Just ended. We got 21.035, which is the fastest I could get this truck to really go down this track. So other than that being said, we get second to last basically, but the inverse field, so we got put to the front, which is cool. You know, I wish it was helpful until I crashed. Well, yeah, crashed. But I gotta thank this guy Kyle. He helped us like get this truck really set up for the race, like last minute. He got an alignment set up and he got our tire pressure set up. I tested the tire pressure, but he got everything so good. And when we went out racing, that thing was hooking on corners so great. And I just wish I got to use the truck more and, you know, push his capabilities even further. I didn't get to touch the capabilities of it fully yet because we crashed. So let's get to the race. Let's see what happened to the truck and what happened. All right, guys, going into the race. We just had some help from this guy Kyle. I'd say it's awesome. He helped us with some alignment and tire pressure. So hopefully we do a lot better. He gave me some good advice. I'm gonna try to use it. I'm gonna try to use it to the best of my ability and make this race win. Try to win the race. You know, it comes down to the driver's race sometimes, a lot of times. So I know you guys have lots of money, but we can at least use a little experience. Well, not a lot of experience there, but we'll try to use it. We'll try to use what we got. All right, so we're out in the field. We're basically just waiting for this guy, the pace car, basically to get off, and then we're gonna basically wait till we get the finish line and turn green. And now the leader needs to take off, which the leader's still left. He needs to take off first before I can even go, unless I get penalized. So we gotta wait for him to go, which is why he got ahead of us a little bit because I messed up with my shifting with the automatic. We were going first or second, but other than that, we did pretty good. For the 2 laps we had before the crash, we did pretty damn good. So other than that, I'm glad you guys enjoyed the video, and let's get to the live action.
Yeah, it's not doing good. It's a little wet down there.
Been a little fluid early on here in that 31 truck, and that is a tough.
I don't know. I don't think
early
so.
On here for Sean.
Yeah, I'm good. How's the? Is it front end? Is it radiator's busted? It is.
Staying up there.
I think I can drive it up. I think. Let's see if it starts.
That's so tough.
Nope, she's done.
Hanging out. You're talking about how excited you are to get this race going, and one lap.
One lap, you clear it up.
here we are, coming through. This slowed down by 10%. Now, listen, I feel like I'm staying in my line pretty good. I'm not like veering too far down or really not going too far up or anything really like that. I knew one car was beside me, and later on we'll see actually what actually happened because I found out on another video. But as of my video, this right here, I got hit, and this were like I got hit a little before that actually, but that's where like the major push really happened right there. And then this ride, I was stupid. I tried to correct myself, and not good. Now looking at my video as of like the outside view, I get hit on the side there, and I just twisted off, and then I tried to correct myself, and I start flipping off. Now listen, you can't really tell if I came down at all in this clip or not, but all I know is that I got hit right there, somewhere right there, and did not work out in my favor. So, but in the next clip, we're about to see actually what happened, and I think this really what happened here. So a new development actually was just made. Actually, I was watching DH Diesel's video, and right here, if you look at this picture, there's a third person in between, well, second person in between us, which I didn't know he was even there, and he's the one who actually spun us out. We went 3 wide on the turn, and I didn't even know he was there, to be honest, at all. And like I said, I don't think I swerved down. I think he was speeding up between us both, and me and Zach were closing into each other, and that's that's just what happened. He was trying to go between, and we both were just we're squeezing into each other. So I think this is what happened. He snuck in, and you can see him in my video, but it's hard to see. But this is what I think happened. But this is what happened. Alright, so after we found a picture, we at least see what happened, and it wasn't like, we went 3 wide, and I think that's really the one guy just tried to squeeze in. But listen, if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave it down below. Comment down below if you think I did go down too much or not. Let me know. And like I said, if you guys want to help support the channel and also see future racing, subscribe to the channel. And listen, don't forget to do what it takes to follow your dreams, and don't let anyone get in your way. I'll see you guys on the next one.